Today we've got Pete here from the Highgate Engineering Division. He's got an interesting unit here on display he's been working on recently, and he's going to tell us a little bit about it, what it is, and so what kind of problem our customers experiencing on site, Pete?
Well, thanks very much. This particular unit's out of a Komatsu 930E haul truck, mobile plant for any particular mining site. One of the inefficiencies of these units are the old brushed type blower motors. So they have inefficiencies and they have long-term failures with these units, causing significant downtime. It may be because the truck is then either tagged out or parts availability may be an issue as well.
Cool. So, like when you said significant downtime, that's essentially the impact that it's having on the businesses or the mine sites and their assets. Yeah.
Yes. So on all of these sites, production is everything. You've got to be able to keep the machines running for as long as possible, so that planned maintenance can take place and you don't have unexpected failures.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, that would be costing millions of dollars for mines.
On some sites, yes, it's quite expensive, and every day. It doesn't stop until that machine's back on. On
so that's where this thing comes in, and it's solving a significant problem. So what really is it solving?
The brushed blowers in this case, they're fine for a lot of on-road vehicles, a lot of vehicles that don't see harsh conditions or contaminated environments. They have drawbacks in that they fail prematurely due to the brushes. They foul up internally, the bearings wear out. They just get contaminated and fouled up with the debris or the product on site. So what we offer now is developing different controls and setups for these blowers where we introduce and install a brushless blower motor to replace it.
Cool. And this whole casing here, that's custom designed by us?
This one is actually a factory standard unit out of a Komatsu truck.
Okay.
So the only thing we've modified with this one is actually installed the brushless blower motor for it.
Yeah, very good. So have any customers already started using this unit?
Yes, we've already sent out 2 or 3 different models of this. The factory brushed blower motor, even though it is maybe cheap and available, they have a limited run time. So the lifespan is anywhere between 5,000 and 20,000 hours, and that's being generous. But the brushless blower upgrade is specified to be able to last up to 40,000 hours. So it doubles in some cases, if not more, the runtime and maintenance-free lifespan it has.
Cool. That's quite interesting. Well, thanks for sharing that.